Hey, Master Intuitives! Have you ever wished you could talk to a computer like it's a human being? If so, you're not alone. People have been fascinated with the idea of artificial intelligence for decades. Can understand and generate human-like language? Or how a chatbot can carry out a conversation with you? Today, we're going to dive into the world of language models and explore one of the most powerful ones out there, ChatGPT. The ChatGPT. GPT is a language model developed by OpenAI, a research lab founded in 2015 by Elon Musk, Sam Altman, Greg Brockman, Ilya Sutskever, John Schulman, and Wojciech Zaremba. OpenAI's mission is to create safe and beneficial artificial intelligence that can help humanity as a whole. In 2019, OpenAI released the first version of the GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, model, which had the ability to generate coherent paragraphs of text in response to a prompt. GPT-2, released in 2019, improved on the original by generating even more sophisticated text. However, it was the release of GPT-3 in 2020 that really made waves. With over 175 billion parameters, GPT-3 is currently the largest and most powerful language model in existence. ChatGPT is a smaller version of GPT-3, designed specifically for conversational applications. Technical explanation: ChatGPT and other language models are trained using a type of artificial intelligence called deep learning, which is like teaching a computer to learn from examples, just like how you learn from your experiences. For example, think of a baby learning to recognize objects. At first, they might not know what a dog is. But as they see more and more dogs, they start to recognize patterns and understand what a dog looks like. Similarly, a language model is trained on a vast amount of text data, like books, articles, and websites, to learn the patterns of language and how to generate it. To process all this text data, the model uses a type of computer network called a transformer. Think of it like a puzzle that needs to be put together piece by piece. The transformer breaks down the text into smaller pieces called tokens, which it can process all at once, allowing it to understand the structure and meaning of the text. Explanation in layman's terms. But before a model like ChatGPT can be used, it needs to be trained on a specific task. For example, if you want to create a chatbot that can answer questions, you would train the model on a data set of questions and answers. This is like a teacher giving a student a set of practice questions to prepare for a test. The model then fine-tunes its knowledge to the specific task, using a smaller data set that is specific to the task. This is like a student taking a practice test that is similar to the real test. Once the model is trained, it can be used to generate new text, like answering questions or creating new content. This is like a student taking the real test and using what they've learned to answer the questions. Uses in real life. ChatGPT and other language models like it have numerous applications in the real world. They can be used to generate content for websites or social media, assist with customer service inquiries, or even write news articles. In the education sector, language models can be used to generate questions and answers for tests or help analyze large amounts of data. Looking to the future, there are many exciting developments on the horizon. Google recently released a language model called G-Shard, which has even more parameters than GPT-3. Other companies and research labs are also working on developing even more advanced language models. Conclusion. So if you're interested in exploring this technology further, you can even create your own language model using open source tools and resources. All it takes is a bit of time, patience, and some data to train your model on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this explanation of language models and ChatGPT informative and interesting.